This phone, first time this phone was network problem. This was sometime no service and sometime searching, and some guys tried before. Now phone is no baseband. I'm trying to restore baseband. Let's see how to fix this baseband section. First of all, I take out this network processor chip. Now I'm going to revolve this IC. Or sometimes some guys use this IC without any revolving. First of all, I'm trying revolve without revolves. And here is some little resistor was short together. A few resistor was shorted with each other. I separate each other, and I'm restoring again network processor. Okay, let's see.